You may have been wondering how I do my daily trading analysis. You are going to be so upset with me when I tell you how I do it. You're going to go through the roof because I do it in less than a minute. You know, so many guys out there spend their lives getting up at 5 a.m. in the morning and doing all the things they need to do, and then preparing the charts, getting this ready and getting that ready. And you're gonna hate me for this, but I literally get up late. And then I go and check my charts out and I go and see what I need to do for the day. The thing is, guys, in trading you've got so much time to spare. Why are you getting up at 5 a.m. in the morning? Unless you've got 7 other jobs you've got to perform, I don't know. Maybe you do. That's why I make these videos, because you know you end up with so much time if you're trading. Hey, it's Rob Guilty. Don't forget, trading is risky. 80% of traders lose money, and if you don't like losing money, guys, don't trade. But what I want to say to you guys today is preparing for the day is one of the easiest things in the world. And I'm going to show you how we do that. Check out my blog and check out the trades. 10-15 seconds of your time, nothing more. Visit the secret blog. Free trade on there every day, which I post totally free. Guys, it's not financial advice, just a trading idea. On the blog as well, you'll see on the left, little PDF, free Forex book, my gift to you, asking nothing for it. But enjoy the trade every day. It's always nice to know what everybody else is doing, isn't it? So if you saw the blog, you'll see you get a free trade every day. It's just an idea, it's not trading advice. But that can be part of your preparation. Get up at 5 in the morning and go and check the blog out. Great stuff. But guys, in all honesty, my preparation consists of very little. My main preparation is done maybe on the weekend, when I'll put all my alerts in place, I'll put all my levels in place. All the levels are there because, as you know, I move to the higher time frames and I put my levels in, so my levels are always there. I've got my favorites, maybe 10, 15 different things that I'm looking to trade. It'll be indexes, it'll be currency pairs, it'll be commodities. That's all I really trade. Stocks I look at in the long term. That's an investment policy. That's a completely different thing. And that you can take your time on. You can look at that whenever you want to. That's like a long-term trade. But your short-term trades, your indexes, your currency pairs, and your commodities, so easy. All you have to do, guys, is go to the charts. Your levels are already there. And you know what I literally do? I literally click through the charts and I see which of the products are getting close to what are my levels, and those are the ones that I'm going to look at today. Then I go into the lower time frames and I check what's going on where, if there's anything moving in and out, add some more alerts, whatever the case. I mean, at the worst case, we're talking 5 minutes of preparation here, okay? It's the easiest thing in the world. That's why I said you're going to hate me for this. I don't get up at 5 in the morning and go and do a million different things and spend. What are you doing? What are you actually spending your time on, guys? What are you spending hours and hours of your time on? Looking at the screen. I mean, really, you tell me. You're overcomplicating your trading, and that's what you're doing. You're overcomplicating it. You've got too much criteria, too many things going on, too many different systems on your chart. You're changing your system too often. You've got just simplify your life, guys. Simplify your life, and you'll make money. That's how I do it. I manage my risk. I simplify my life, and I don't get overcomplicated about everything that I trade. If it looks good, it's good. It's easy. So that's my advice today. My idea. Don't overcomplicate your life. You don't have to prove anything to anyone by getting up at 5 a.m. in the morning. It's bloody ridiculous, man. What trading? What the hell? What are you actually working on? You've got about, I don't know, 15, 20 products to look at. I think there's 30 currency pairs to look at. Come on, guys, it's not that difficult. You don't need to spend hours doing that. Put your levels in place. Put your alerts in place. There isn't a trading platform on earth that doesn't allow you to put alerts in. That'll come through to your cell phone and tell you it's reached that point. I mean, I can spend half my day shopping if I want to. You know, I don't have to sit in front of the charts watching them all day. Put your stop loss in place, put your take profit in place, and off you go. If you're trading 1 minute and 5 minute charts, maybe you do have to sit and look at your screens all day. Oh, good for you guys, it's crazy. No need, really no need. You'll see in my last video I noted that people that are trading very low time frames and day trading them, only 1% are successful. It's very difficult to be successful like that, guys. That's why I trade 4-hour, 1-hour charts. It's much simpler, and it's a lot less stress, and it's much easier to manage your risk. So thanks for watching. Check out the next video, and till next time, cheers, bye.